Pour this into your toilet, and you will never again experience bad luck, death, poverty, or financial difficulties. Remember that everything starts at home because it is the foundation of your life. The toilet can harbor negative energy that can infiltrate your life, and positive energy can also flow out through it. Therefore, you must be very careful with this specific area of your home. In today's video, I'll show you a ritual, a way to eliminate negative energy from your home by pouring it into your toilet. Negative energy will disappear from your life, and wealth and prosperity will be allowed to flow into your home. All the money you've imagined for a long time will soon appear, so stay until the end of the video. You'll find it hard to believe that you didn't know about this ritual before. It's so simple, but brings incredibly fast financial results. Stay with me, because this is backed by scientific research. If you are not someone who believes in spirituality, and if you are scientifically inclined and skeptical of the law of attraction or luck, today I want to analyze with you another aspect. Quantum physics teaches us that the external world is a reflection of the internal world. If you've heard this saying before, comment 111 in the comments section. This concept aligns perfectly with Buddhist teachings, where it is believed that our environment reflects our internal state. Buddha once said, "What we think, we become." The toilet ritual symbolizes clearing negative energy from your life, similar to getting rid of your worries and misfortunes, making space for abundance and joy to come in. Although this practice seems simple, it acts as a powerful metaphor for letting go of negativity and welcoming positivity. Scientific studies in the realm of quantum physics suggest that our intentions and energy can influence our reality. This is not merely spiritual jargon. It is backed by evidence that our thoughts and emotions can shape the world around us. Dr. Masaru Emoto's water experiments have shown that positive words and intentions can change the molecular structure of water, turning it into beautiful crystals. This indicates that positive energy can have a tangible impact on our environment. When you pour this mixture into your toilet, you are symbolically eliminating negative energy and creating a new beginning. Now, let's delve deeper into the specific details of this ritual. First, let me share with you a powerful and seemingly simple method: dropping a clove of garlic into your toilet. This practice has transformed my financial situation almost instantly. Sounds incredible, right? Let me take you back to a time when I was drowning in debt after losing my job. It was one of the darkest periods of my life. I had been earning well and supporting my family, but suddenly everything disappeared overnight. I found myself unemployed and enveloped in fear and uncertainty. Bills were quickly piling up, depleting my savings faster than I had ever anticipated. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months, leaving me trapped in a cycle of negativity. I completely lost faith in myself, sinking deeper and deeper into despair. The mounting rent, bills, daily expenses, and medicine for the children weighed heavily on me. I lost weight, couldn't sleep, and felt completely hopeless. This overwhelming debt seeped into every aspect of my life, absorbing all my energy and leaving me feeling helpless, as if everything was spiraling out of control. I tried everything: praying, creating vision boards, practicing positive thinking and affirmations. Yet after a month, I was still unemployed, buried in debt, and exhausted. I felt lost, without direction, and began to question if anything could work under these circumstances. In my desperation at my lowest point, a friend called me and shared a peculiar but intriguing solution that he claimed could help me eliminate my debts. At first, it sounded absurd, but His conviction made me consider trying it. James told me about a ritual involving a clove of garlic that, according to him, could eliminate all debt overnight. Despite my skepticism, his confidence convinced me to try it. James explained the ritual step by step. First, he emphasized the importance of keeping the bathroom clean. A clean bathroom, he said, is essential to maintain a flow of positive energy. This includes regular cleaning and keeping the toilet lid closed, as toilets can harbor not only physical waste, but also negative energy. The ritual ensured that the toilet lid remained closed when not in use, as leaving it open could allow negative energy to circulate. He explained that physical and energetic waste could affect our well-being, especially at night when energy levels are lower. By keeping the toilet clean and closed, we could prevent the buildup of negative energy. James's method might sound unusual, but his own success story was compelling. He recounted how this ritual had saved his family from losing their home after he lost his job. His gratitude for this practice was palpable, and his story inspired me to follow his advice. I performed the ritual according to the instructions, carefully cleaning the bathroom and placing the clove of garlic in the toilet. I did everything with the utmost care and faith. The results were astonishing. Gradually, my financial situation began to improve, and opportunities I had never imagined started to present themselves. It was as if a heavy burden had been lifted from my shoulders. This experience taught me the power of intention and the importance of maintaining positive energy in our environment. As Buddha once said, "What we think, we become." By focusing on cleanliness and positive energy, we can transform our lives. Have you ever considered how the energy in your home affects your life? Could a simple ritual change your financial situation or your overall well-being? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your ideas could help others facing similar challenges. Remember, the key to success lies in our mindset and actions. By adopting simple practices like this ritual, we can invite positive changes into our lives, trust the process, and be open to new possibilities. As Buddha said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." Despite my initial skepticism, I decided to explore this ancient ritual involving a clove of garlic to see if it could really help eliminate my debts. My financial situation was desperate, and I was willing to try anything. One night, I gathered my courage, held a clove of garlic in my hand, and wrote my monthly debt of $13,466 on a piece of paper. Writing this number felt surreal. My hand trembled, my heart raced, and a sense of uncertainty loomed over me. Closing my eyes, I took a few deep breaths and began to chant, "All debts are now fully paid off, one by one." As I chanted, I visualized my debts disappearing from my email and my bank account. This visualization felt like a miracle in itself, relieving a heavy burden from my shoulders. Then I flushed the clove of garlic into the toilet, symbolically eliminating my financial problems. This act sparked a sense of hope, and I went to bed feeling more at peace than I had in a long time. I placed absolute trust in the ritual, believing that what happened next was beyond my control. When I woke up the next morning, I felt a deep sense of change, as if something significant had occurred during the night. Over time, I maintained this unwavering faith, and to my amazement, I began to notice changes. One day in April, while having my morning coffee, I checked my phone and discovered that my debt of $13,466 had miraculously disappeared. Not only were my debts gone, But I also began to experience financial windfalls. It felt like an intervention, a financial miracle. I could hardly believe it. Grateful and overwhelmed with joy, I fell to my knees in tears, thanking the universe for this incredible turn of events. Reflecting on this experience, I realized the power of belief and the impact of rituals on our subconscious mind. Although the garlic ritual may seem unconventional, it served as a catalyst for my transformation. This story reminds me of the famous Buddhist saying, "What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create." By aligning my thoughts and actions with the intention of financial freedom, I opened up new possibilities for myself. In modern life, we often seek logical solutions to our problems, but sometimes trusting the unknown and ancient wisdom can lead to extraordinary results. For those struggling with debt, poverty, or bad luck, I encourage you to explore practices that resonate with your beliefs and values, whether it's a ritual, meditation, or simply a change in mindset. The key lies in your unwavering faith and commitment to change. As Buddha said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. By harnessing the power of your mind and aligning your actions with positive intentions, you can create a life of abundance and prosperity. Remember, the path to financial freedom begins with a single step, and sometimes that step requires a leap of faith. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and watch miracles unfold in your life. Prepare to embark on a transformative journey with Buddhist teachings through a ritual that promises to free you from debt, poverty, and bad luck. This ritual, inspired by ancient wisdom, will guide you toward prosperity and abundance. To begin, gather a fresh clove of garlic, cinnamon powder, a green candle, a medium-sized mirror, 2 sheets of white paper, and a pen or marker. Before you start, find a serene space in your home, preferably near your financial or work area. This space will be your sanctuary, where you can connect with the energy of prosperity. Light the green candle, which represents the energy of money and fortune. Let its warm glow fill your heart with hope for an abundant future. Visualize the flame growing, illuminating every corner of your life with prosperity. On one of the white sheets of paper, write the name of your primary source of debt with determination, acknowledging it as an obstacle to your financial goals. By naming it, you take the first step toward freeing yourself from its burden and opening the path to abundance. Place the mirror strategically so that it reflects the flame of the candle. The mirror acts as a portal, amplifying the energy of prosperity and connecting you with your inner abundance. Take the clove of garlic in your dominant hand and write the exact amount of your debt on it. Sprinkle the garlic with cinnamon powder, symbolizing the attraction of prosperity. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and visualize your debt disappearing. Affirm out loud, "With this ritual, I am free of debt. Prosperity flows into my life. I am blessed with financial abundance, here and now." Place the garlic on a symbolic money bill. Write the total value of your debt on a piece of paper as if it were a bill, combining it with the name of the source of the debt. Light the tip of the paper and let the flame burn the representation of the debt. As the flame consumes the paper, repeat, "My debts are transforming. Prosperity is on its way." Safely burn the paper, ensuring you are away from flammable materials. Focus your gaze on the mirror, absorbing the light of the green candle as a beacon of hope and prosperity. Let this light penetrate your being, illuminating every area of your financial life and guiding you toward abundance. Visualize the prosperous life you desire, free of debt, surrounded by opportunities, and enjoying the abundance that the universe offers. Feel the joy and gratitude overflowing in your heart. Thank the universe for the infinite opportunities that are opening up for you. Recognize the blessings in your life and express unwavering faith in the opportunities yet to come. Embrace the certainty that the universe is conspiring in your favor, guiding you toward your dreams. This ritual combines the ancient wisdom of garlic, the positive energy of cinnamon, and the deep meaning of the mirror to activate positive energies, ward off negativity, and attract prosperity into your life. Consider the story of Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, who abandoned his luxurious life in search of enlightenment. Through immense struggles and meditation, he achieved profound wisdom under the Bodhi tree. This story teaches us that true wealth does not lie in material possessions, but in spiritual enlightenment and inner peace. Reflect on how you can apply the principles of letting go and seeking inner peace to your financial difficulties. By embracing the teachings of Buddha, you can transform your relationship with money and prosperity. In conclusion, this ritual is more than just a practice. It is a profound journey toward financial freedom and spiritual enlightenment. It combines the ancient elements of garlic and cinnamon, the reflective power of the mirror, and the transformative energy of fire to purify your life of debt and poverty. By following these steps, you align yourself with the universal energy of abundance. Remember, true prosperity is not only about wealth, but also about finding balance, inner peace, and spiritual fulfillment. What steps will you take today to integrate these teachings into your life? How will you transform your financial challenges into opportunities for growth and enlightenment? By reflecting on these questions, you open the door to a life full of abundance, guided by the timeless wisdom of Buddha. With deep gratitude, thank the universe for the infinite opportunities opening up for you. Recognize the blessings that already exist in your life and express your unwavering faith in the opportunities yet to come. Embrace the certainty that the universe is at work in your favor and continue practicing gratitude and positive thinking. By doing so, you open yourself to receive all the good things that the universe has in store for you. Since the outer world is a reflection of the inner world, positive changes in your energy, beliefs, and emotions will manifest externally, leading to changes in your external reality. On the contrary, if you harbor negative forces within you, you will attract similar adverse situations. For example, negative energy within you will inevitably attract negative energy and circumstances, leaving you trapped in a cycle of debt and poverty. Embracing these fundamental practices and combining cleansing rituals with positive affirmations, visualization, and intention will significantly improve your results. Using positive affirmations allows you to program your subconscious mind with new beliefs oriented toward prosperity. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about how ancient Buddhist teachings can positively impact your life, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos filled with valuable knowledge and practical advice. May your home be filled with peace, prosperity, and positive energy. Thank you for watching until the end.